Hey everyone, how are you? In this video, we are going to see I will give you an overview of my Android application. Recently, I have developed an Android application for those people who are doing Arduino or who are learning Arduino from basics. So yeah, I was a student of Arduino. I have done some project on Arduino as well. So let me tell you what are the things which is required to become a good person in Arduino or become expert in Arduino. So this app will going to help you achieve that. This is just a learning path, or you can say this is a roadmap in the form of Android application. So yeah, we are going to review, or I will give you overview of that application in this video. So let's start, and first we will move to our computer screen, then we'll start, right? So yeah, we are on our computer screen. Just open I will open Android Studio. Yeah, this is opening, and we will start from the first component or first activity. You can say in layman term, you can say first page, right? So that this is the Android Studio. If you don't know, this is an IDE for Android app development. And let me just finish this. Yeah, I will close this. So this is the place where all the logic or Java file, and this is a layout, or you can say design files, and these are some other bunch of stuffs which you don't need to know. So this is then code for main page, and this is the layout of the main page. If I'll open or run in this emulator, let me quickly change this and run this. Yeah, see, this is our emulator. In this I will start. Yeah, this is the logo of this whole application. Let me quickly just open this. Yeah, so this is the home page of our application. There are one section which is called content, and in this there are 6 content. So first one is if you click on this will going to open official website of Arduino. This is a very good website if you are learning and get updated with Arduino world. So if you click on this, it will automatically going to open this Arduino official website. Yeah. I'm not using any other browser for open this. This is inside this application only. So this is a Tinkercad. If you don't know, Tinkercad is just an online emulator for doing or making circuit about Arduino. Yeah, project hub. This is another very important. So this is the project hub. This is very important if you are learning, and if you are learning by doing project, then this is very great. If you will click on this, so this page will going to show you thousands and hundreds of projects which you can build using Arduino components, right? I'll definitely highly recommend to check this website. And this is the playlist which is I think good for beginners. If you are starting out, you can check this playlist, right? So this is the bunch of new things. I'll come back to this page. Let me go to this component section. This is a component section. As you know, Arduino is combination of both hardware and software. So first we will focus on hardware. So what are the things which are present inside Arduino? As you can see, this is the battery, this LCD display, servo, all these things which makes an Arduino. Arduino has also a sensor. So if I click on this sensor, yeah, so this will going to open this page. You can read about this, and you can see how this sensor look like and what are the circuit it has, and you can also going to learn more about the sensor, right? So how this sensor work, I have provided all the details which you should know as a beginner, like light sensor. So what light sensor, types of light sensor, and applications of light sensor, and circuit design as well. If I click switch, see, this is the introduction about switch, and some image of switch, some circuit and what it does, schemas and code as well. So this section was all about component, and this is the learning section where you will going to learn Arduino from basics, like what is Arduino, types of Arduino board. If I click, you can see different types of Arduino board. You can learn about Arduino here. See, so this is the content about. This is very important, Arduino IDE. At the end of the day, we are going to write some code in IDE, right? So this is an Arduino IDE, and you can choose this link to download this IDE, and I have defined all the things which are present inside IDE to get started. Cool. So this is very important, which is called electronics foundation. So what are the things which is required to get started? If you are from bio background, you haven't done any physics things, so all the things present. What is register color codes, and what is series and parallel resistor, what is Kirchhoff's law. So these were the basics of electronics. Cool. And I will also give you some blinking LED example, like switch example. Like, let's see, this is a temperature example, how temperature sensor works. And we have also done one projects like example type things. You can see and read whatever I have written over here. And last thing is which is called a project section, right? So I have provided only 10 project for now, because this is a version 1, and I haven't done or provided more projects. As you know, if you want to see more project, then you can click on this project hub, but for now I have provided 10, and after time will pass, I will going to update with some more projects and some advanced one. If you click on this birthday, so this is the introduction, and this is circuit design, and what are the components used, and this is the code, right? So this is things. Come back. I know there must be some errors in the typos, mistakes, because as you see, see all the text, and there must be some errors as well. So if you found out some errors, then you can contact me with this icon, or if you want to give me any feedback, or what are the things that you don't like or you like, then you can click on this and you can send me any feedback, right? So this is very useful for me, at least, and I will going to soon reply you. Please send me your correct email. And this is a no more section, in which you this is just a documentation purpose. I have provided. If you want to contact me, this is my email. If you click on this, you will redirect to email page. Actually, this phone doesn't have email, so so this was the overview introduction of this application, and let me quickly show you some codes. This is all the codes which is written by me, and all the things that you have seen like data, this is by me, and I have also taken some images from internet. Arduino Pro, the name of this app, and it uses only one thing, that your internet permission to access this website. So I'm not taking your any personal data, so keep in mind. And these are some logic. I have done some logic, so this is the logic part. Okay, so don't worry. So this was and let me also, this is a drawable folder. In this folder I have I generally put all the resources like images in there. So these much images I have used in this project. It took me around 15 to 20 days to build this application, right? And I will provide APK in the description if you want, and if I will not provide APK, then you can definitely mail me from description of this video. I will personally going to send you the APK. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.